Hi Mom and Callie. So I'm going to explain how we would solve for the volume of this figure here. So first step is always to split the figure into two rectangular prisms. If it's not already a rectangular prism, in this case it's not. So I split it horizontally over here to have two rectangular prisms. One in the front, this is one rectangular prism, and then a larger one in the back. So because I split it horizontally, the width on this side is no longer 13. It now becomes 4 feet here. And I know it's 4 feet because that is the width down here. And the width would then be the same here and here. So I got the 4 feet from down here. If this is 4, this side is also 4, and this side is also 4, which then means that going back from here on up, from where we split it all the way to the back, would then be 9 feet because 9 plus 4 is 13. So also I know that the height is 8 because this is 8, which means that the height of both prisms is 8 because I didn't split it going across, well, I did split it going across, but I didn't split it over here in the middle. So the height all around is still 8 feet. And the length is still 12 feet because, again, I didn't split it vertically in this case, which would then make this two separate pieces that add up to 12. Since I split it over here, the 13 is what changes. So I can now determine the dimensions. So for the larger prism, or the prism in the back, it has a length of 12 feet, a width of 9 feet, and a height of 8 feet. So 12 by 9 by 8. The smaller prism in the front has a length of 4, a width of 4, and a height of 8. So 4 by 4 by 8. And then I'm going to solve for these two volumes separately. So the volume of the larger prism, the volume of the smaller prism, and then combine them to find the total volume of the entire figure, or bedroom in this case. So I know that 12 times 8 is 12 times 9 is 108 because that's a fact I know from reflex. And I'm going to multiply 108 by 8. 8 times 8 is 64. Another fact I know from reflex. Regroup the 6 tens. 8 times 0 is 0. Plus 6 is 6. 8 times 1 is 8. So 864 cubic feet for this larger prism. The smaller prism, 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 8. Again, I'm going to solve using standard algorithm. 8 times 6 is 48. Regroup the 4 tens to the tens place. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 4 is 12, 128. So I want to combine these two volumes, or the volumes of each rectangular prism, to find the total volume. 8 plus 4 is 12. Regroup the 10. 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 2 more is 9, and 8 plus 1 is 9. So the entire, or the total volume, is 952 cubic feet, and I could represent that with the exponent 3, or writing out the word cubic feet, whatever is your preference, but you always want to make sure we include the measurement, or the unit of measure. So to recap, first we split the figure into two separate rectangular prisms if there aren't already two clearly identifiable ones, and then I find the volume of one prism, the volume of the other, and I combine them or add them to find the total volume. I hope this was helpful. Please let me know if you need any clarification or if I should further explain anything. Thank you.